Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to sign each of our high frequency words for the week. Okay, so the first one is fun. The sign for fun is, so you're going to make two fingers on each hand, put one hand here, and then the other hand, you're going to touch it to your nose. Then move this hand from your nose to where your other hand is. Okay, so do that with me. And let's say it and sign it. Fun. Okay. And the next one is make. The sign for make is, so you're going to put your hands together and twist like you were making something. Okay, so do that with me. And let's say it and sign it. Make. Okay, this is the word they. The sign for they is, so you're just going to point like you're pointing to a group of people. They. All right, so do that with me. And let's say it and sign it. They. And the last one is to. The sign for to is, so you're going to make like a Y with your hand and then just move it from side to side like this. Okay, so do that with me. And let's say it and sign it. To. All right, now let's go back over each one and say and sign each one. Okay? Fun. Make. They. To. All right, good job. Thank you for watching.